I'm Frank from the Netherlands. I'm here in Dhaka, Bangladesh, and I'm here for a workshop with GMD Akash. Bangladesh is great. The people are so friendly and so colorful and so helpful, and they will help you all the way. I like the workshop because it was for me a new experience. It was unique, and yeah, it's only a one-to-one workshop. You know, it's not like in a group, and that's so special for me. The workshop was starting in the morning, and then we go visit some places, mostly 1 or 2 in a day. And there you can make the photos, of course, and then you go to the hotel. We place them in the computer, and Akash is going to check them one by one, and that's so unique. Akash is a wonderful man. He knows a lot about photography. He's friendly, he's nice, he's always helping. He helps you the whole day. He's always around you, and he's trying to fix you up to a higher level. I'm in a higher level now with my photography, and that's the most important thing, because I want that, and I was stopped in between somewhere. So, and now it's done. I think I'm grateful, thankful for his help very much. Yeah, I want to recommend this workshop to anybody who is interested. It's a very good workshop, and it's one by one. It's special. I want to thank also the Bangladesh people. They are so colorful and so nice. I'm feeling safe here in Bangladesh. And I thank you very, very much.